Pumpkin season, together with soup season, is the best season in my opinion. Back when I lived in London, autumn was my favorite time of year. When the leaves start to fall and the air is crisp and what you wear changes and even everything you eat change. From salads and sandwiches to hearty meals and warm soups. And a good pumpkin soup is one of those soups that you can actually eat all year round wherever you live. Roasted pumpkin soup is so easy to make. Your oven pretty much does all the work for you. Hi everyone, I'm Aru from Arubakes and today we are making a roasted pumpkin soup. I'm sneaking in some carrot as well just to add a little bit more nutrition and another layer to this soup. But this is completely optional. Simply chop up your pumpkin, carrot, onion and cut the bottom of the bulb of garlic. Lay everything out flat on a baking tray. I always prefer to line the baking tray just to make cleanup a little easier. Season this with olive oil, salt, garlic powder and paprika powder and massage that into the wedge. I like to be a little extra generous with the paprika powder just to cut a little bit of that sweetness you get from the pumpkin. Make sure everything is well coated and then lay everything out flat so nothing is on top of each other. This is the best way to get this wedge roasted fast. Pop this in the oven and bake until the wedge have a slight char to it. Pop the roasted wedge into a large pot and squeeze out that beautifully roasted garlic and then pour in some stock. I'm using store-bought stock, but you can use anything from stock cubes to bone broth to homemade stock, whatever you have handy. And if you use some veg stock and skip the cream, this actually makes for a perfect vegan dish. Then blend this until everything is pureed. If you feel like this is too stiff, just add in a bit more stock. The beauty of cooking is that you can play around with the ingredients to adjust things to your liking. It's very different from baking where everything has to pretty much be an exact science. I like to pass this through a sieve just to get a smoother, creamier soup, but you can keep the pulp bit in if you like. There's actually a lot of nutrition in the pulpy bit. Really press this through the sieve just to get the best bits, and remember to scrape the bottom of the sieve as well. Get this heating until it comes to a simmer. Taste and season. And then stir in a dash of cooking cream. This is actually optional, but I like to add this in just to make it that much creamier. And as always, I believe that plating is very important, even to make the most ordinary meal a hit. So dish this up into your favorite soup bowl and drizzle on a bit more of that cream. And then top this with some toasted bread that's cut up into cubes or some croutons. And that is my roasted pumpkin and carrot soup, which is perfect for any season. Try this at home the next time you're feeling tired and can't be bothered cooking. The oven does all the work for you. And if you like this video, please drop me a comment and let me know. See you in the next one. Bye.